This is a problem from section 7-3, similar to your homework. Dataset includes 103 body temperatures of healthy adult humans for which X bar is equal to 98.9 degrees Fahrenheit and S is equal to 0.67 degrees Fahrenheit. What is the best point estimate for the mean body temperature of all humans? So what they want to do here is find an estimate for the mean of the population. So the population mean is mu, and it's going to be approximately equal to X bar, which is 98.9 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so that's our point estimate. Part B, use sample statistics to construct a 99% confidence interval estimate of the mean body temperature for all healthy humans. For this, we have to note a couple of things. First, we have to note that sigma is not given. Now, I know that S is a standard deviation, but this is standard deviation for the sample. Sigma is a standard deviation for the population. And so there's a difference between the two, and in this case, this is not sigma. Sigma is unknown. The second part to this is we have an n that's 103, and clearly that's bigger than 30. So in this case, we will use a t-distribution. In our confidence interval, it's actually the t-interval that we're going to use. So let's go to our calculators and find our t-interval. Stat, go to test, and look for t-interval. So once you find it, click enter, and we have a choice of using data or statistics. We have the statistics here, so we're going to write out our stats and press enter. So now that we have this, let's arrow down. We have our X bar. It's asking for our X bar, 98.9. It's asking for our standard deviation. This is a sample standard deviation, 0.67. And then it's asking for our n. What is our sample size? And that's 103. It's asking for a confidence level. We are looking for a 99% confidence, and then calculate. So we have our results here in parentheses. We will write this using the inequality notation. So we'll start off by writing the first number. That's 98.727, and then a less than sign. And then we're going to type mu, and another less than sign, and then a second number, 99.073. We can use words to describe this. We'll start off by saying that we are 99% confident that the true mean is between, and then we'll type in those two numbers, 98.727 and 99.073. And we should include the degrees Fahrenheit here. So these are our limit, and here's our confidence interval. The next question is, do the confidence intervals contain 98.6? If we look at this in a number line, we have 98.7, 99.073, and 98.6 would be a little bit to the left here, which is not in the confidence interval. So we'll say no, 98.6 is not in the confidence interval. And then our last question, what does the sample suggest about 98.6 as a mean body temperature? Well, based on this, we're 99% confident that the true mean should be between 98.7 and 99.1. So it looks like we're a little short here, and we can say that the mean of 98.6 degrees must seem a little low. Let's see what our homework might have as choices for this question. It says this sample suggests the mean body temperature could be lower than 98.6. Well, no, it looks like our interval shows that it's a little bit higher. B says this suggests that the mean body temperature could very possibly be 98.6. Well, it doesn't say that. 98.6 is not. And then the last one says it suggests that the mean body temperature could be higher than 98.6. So 98.6 is below our confidence interval, so our confidence interval, which should contain the true mean, 99% confidence, seems like it could be higher. So the choice would be part C. Okay, I hope this helps.